Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G10. Today I'll show you how to change battery sound. So, firstly, make sure to download this app from Play Store. Then open it, tap button right here and choose mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Now select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text-to-speech.
Connected.
And now name your function and give it description. If it's done, tap this button to save. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.